Hey guys, if you want to add or link PayPal debit card to Apple Wallet, here's how you go about it. So first of all, this is your home page, all right? And basically make sure that you updated your PayPal to the latest version. Click your wallet and basically get to see right here, banks and cards, and you're gonna be able, assumingly, you're gonna be able to see your PayPal debit card, okay? And basically what you're gonna do, if you want to add a PayPal debit card to your Apple Wallet, you're gonna see an option under the card, your not physical credit card, your debit card of PayPal. You're gonna see add to Apple Wallet or Apple Pay, and just like any other card, you're gonna add the name and then the card number, and you're gonna agree to the terms of and conditions of Apple, and then basically you're gonna be able to add your credit card, or sorry, your debit card of PayPal after you hit the add to Apple wallet, right? You're gonna see under the your virtual credit card, or sorry, your debit card, you're gonna be able to see the option to add it to Apple wallet, so you can pay or you can make your purchases online or even outside with the debit card, all right, at any shop. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.